Hello guys, welcome to Jos Achi channel. Thank you guys so much for your love, for your support. I do appreciate all of you guys. This is another video guys. This video is about the giant bread that we made with filling. We filled them up with chicken, shredded chicken. First we boil the chicken and then we shred it with cheese as well, and and tomato paste. So we did that and filled it inside the bread, and then we brush it with butter, like soft butter, and then we brush also as well with the egg yolk, and then we put it to bake. Mine, I enjoyed it with salad guys. I added salad inside. It was so tasty guys. Instead of making bread just plain bread, you can also add this type of bread and make it for your family guys. This one can feed the entire family because it's big guys. Alright guys, if you're new here in this channel for the first time guys, remember to subscribe. This is Jos Achi from Canada. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a like guys. I notice people who watch me, like 78% are not subscribers. They are not subscribers. Please, if you're watching without subscribing, please consider to subscribe and support my channel guys. I appreciate you in advance. May God bless you guys all. Let's continue to watch and see what I did with this bread. It might be a good idea for you as well if you have, especially when you have a large family. You can make something like this and spend sometimes outdoor, share with families and friends. Alright guys, let's do it. So for the dough, I just made them after rising. I just put it in the tray with a parchment paper, and then just spread it out. Just stretch it like with my fingers because the dough is not that too hard. So I just spread it with my fingers and poke inside the dough and just add the tomato paste. For the tomato paste, I added some ketchup in it and olive oil. I mixed it together, and that's what I'm spreading here. So spread it well, and then after that, this is the chicken that we made actually. We boiled the chicken, just boil it and then thread it like this one here. And now time to add the chicken into the dough after you put the tomato paste. So you just add them there evenly, and then you close it. I didn't actually roll it. This one you don't need even roll. You just do it all the thing I did just with my hand. Because the dough is soft, you don't even roll it. This is how it look. I'm trying to put in the chicken right here. Looking yummy already guys. It tastes so good guys. This is giant bread. It came out so perfect. We really enjoyed. We did enjoy that for breakfast, and more is still left even for tomorrow. Alright guys. Now time to add the cheese guys. This is cheddar cheese. That's what we're adding in here. I didn't add a lot of cheese. So now it's done guys. It's time to close it. So I just pull the side together, try to twist it a little bit, and done. Now I'm adding the butter. So I brush it with butter, all corners and top. And then I brush it with egg yolk. I didn't add any water in the egg yolk. I just brush it purely with egg yolk, which came out so nice. But first you have to put butter when you're brushing with the egg yolk for this bread, and that's what I did. So the first layer was the butter, and now I'm brushing the bread with the dough with egg yolk. Then after that you put it in the oven to bake. So when it bakes like almost to get ready, you need to brush again with butter. And that's what I did also, which you will see in the video, guys. Guys, don't forget to give this video a like and share. Don't forget to subscribe as well, guys, if you're new. And for my returning subscribers, please, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your support. May God bless you guys all. I really love it. Now it's almost done. I'm brushing it for the final. Then I put it back to toast a little bit. Then it will be all done, guys. The bread is all done, guys. Looking so fresh and smelling so good. See here? It's all done, perfectly baked, guys. So I'm gonna leave it to cool down a little bit, and then we can cut it. It looks so nice, guys. So this one you can make it for your family and enjoy it with friends. This can serve so many people, guys. It may look small in the camera, but it's really giant, guys. See how it look, and the brushing of the with the egg yolk make it look so beautiful, that colors. So time to transfer in the cutting board. It has been cool for some times now. So we're gonna cut it and then enjoy it. It's all cut, guys. You can see the inside's looking so beautiful. It's so beautiful, guys, and smells so yummy. Just handmade bread, no machine, no rolling, just using your hand just to form it. Came out perfect, guys. We did really enjoy it. So now I'm gonna cut into more smaller pieces for the family to eat. This one you can add whatever you want. If you want it with dipping sauce, whatever you want to put inside, or dipping, you can use any kind of dipping sauce that you like and eat with it. You can use salad, whatever. Alright guys, you can see I cut some into pieces right now. We actually cut almost a quarter of it, and the other one was left. So we cut those one into smaller pieces for people to eat. Came out perfect, guys. I hope you'll try this, guys, in your family and share with your friends and enjoy it. Lovely. So here I cut mine like into piece. I cut the inside and added salt inside and just close it and eat like that with tea. I did really enjoyed it. So yummy. Alright guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate all of you guys. Don't forget to give this video a like and share, guys. The next video I think I will be posting about our veggies in the garden. So I'll be taking it, harvesting it from the garden and cooking it, guys. That will be the next video that will come. Expect that, guys, okay? Thank you guys so much. May God bless you all. I love you guys so much. Bye-bye.